Welcome all, Papa G here. Today is Saucy Sunday. It's where we focus primarily on low-carb recipes for sauces, condiments, and dressings. Most of the videos will be short and to the point, just something to help add a little flavor to your low-carb diet. Let's get started. For this week's episode, I present my mustard vinaigrette. This is a very easy to make low-carb salad dressing that's packed with flavor but not carbs. Let me show you how to make it. Add 5 tablespoons of Dijon mustard to a mixing bowl. Add the oil of your choice. Here I'm using extra virgin olive oil, but any oil will work. I especially like peanut oil for this recipe as well. Add some apple cider vinegar, a little lemon juice, some Worcestershire sauce, a 1/4 cup of sour cream. Now give a mix with a whisk to blend together. We'll balance the acidity a bit with 2 teaspoons of a liquid sugar substitute. Give another quick mix before we add our spices. Now add some salt, just a touch of cayenne, some garlic and onion powder, ground black pepper, and finally some thyme. Mix thoroughly until everything is well blended. Cover and place in the refrigerator for at least 1 to 3 hours to allow all the flavors to come together. Pour over your next salad and enjoy a great tasting homemade salad dressing that's packed with flavor but not carbs. There you have it, folks, my low-carb mustard vinaigrette. A great low-carb salad dressing option. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.